In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the area of an irregular shape in Autocad using the hatch command. Whether you're working on a complex drawing or checking measurements inside a design, calculating the area of irregular shapes accurately is a very useful skill in Autocad. Let's get started. First, go to the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. From there, click on Hatch. You can also type Hatch in the command line and press Enter. Now select the inside of the closed irregular shape where you want to calculate the area. Autocad will automatically create a hatch inside the boundary. Make sure the shape is completely closed before applying the hatch. If there are gaps between lines, the hatch may not work correctly, or the area value may be inaccurate. After the hatch is created, click on the hatch to select it. Once selected, open the Properties panel. You can type Properties or press Ctrl+1 to open it quickly. Inside the Properties list, scroll until you find the area value. This value shows the exact area of the irregular shape covered by the hatch. If the area looks incorrect, zoom into the boundary and check for any open edges or disconnected lines. Closed boundaries are important for accurate area calculations. Using hatch to calculate area is one of the easiest and fastest methods in Autocad, especially for irregular shapes that are difficult to measure manually. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Autocad.